How you guys doing today? Hopefully your weekend was great. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the second chapter. The second chapter is about expressing opinion, likes and dislikes. Okay, let me share. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me share the screen. Okay. And there you go. So, this chapter, we are learning about how to express our opinion, what we like, and express also dislikes. Okay, so this conversation we already trying to get familiar with last week. Okay, so hopefully this time today you guys will do a lot better. Okay, so here is the conversation is getting acquainted. Okay, that means acquainted means is getting familiar. Okay, maksudnya akrab, menjadi lebih akrab begitu ya. Okay, now we are going to have some of you guys to do the conversation. Okay. Okay. For the first sentence here, I'm gonna have Muhammad. Muhammad. Okay. Muhammad. Okay. Hi, Muhammad.
Hello, Miss.
All
Good
right.
evening.
Good evening. Okay, Muhammad, you are going to be Lauren. Okay. You ready?
Sorry, Miss. Can you
Lauren.
repeat
Yes, here. The first sentence.
the first sentence? Okay.
Yes. You ready?
Hi. Okay, I'm ready. Sorry, Miss.
Sorry about it. Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
I'm so nervous.
Oh, don't
Okay.
be. Come on, we're practice together here. Okay, go
Yep.
ahead.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, go.
Hi. You must be Sarah. I can tell from your picture. I'm Lauren. Finally, we meet. So we're going to be roomies this semester.
Excellent. That's pretty good.
Thank you, Miss.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. Here on the first sentences here, the conversation that's being said by Lauren, we can see there are three words that's been in bold, so I'm gonna explain one by one, okay, really quick, so you guys know and really understand what it is. Okay, jadi saya akan menerangkan setiap conversation per orang ini. Kalau ada yang tulisannya di bold, saya akan menerangkan secara cepat ya, karena ini semua ada di dalam modul kita. Jadi saya harap teman-teman semua bisa meluangkan waktu, dipelajarin lebih sedikit-sedikit sehari, sedikit demi sedikit, oke? Okay? Setiap harinya dicicil, jadi masuk ke dalam pikiran bawah sadar kita ya. Okay, now we have the first word is gonna be tell. Okay, I can tell from your picture. Okay, maksudnya saya bisa tahu dari dari fotomu. Okay, itu tell. Okay, tell here. That's gonna be on the page. Tell here is biasanya digunakan untuk mengekspresikan pronoun. Okay, misalnya gini. Menanyakan seseorang tentang informasi, oke? Okay? Or bisa juga menanya tentang apa ya? Gini, tell me the subject. with all the verb, don't tell me of that. Certain, tell me, fear indicates that you fear of a certain answer. Okay, or here I can tell you. That means I can tell you. I can tell from your picture. I can tell you. That means that that sure, she's sure. Dia bisa mengetahui ya dari gambarnya kalau ini adalah Sarah. Sarah. Okay. Now we have the second one is finally. Finally is dalam bahasa Indonesianya akhirnya kita bertemu ya. Nah, gitu. Nah, finally itu bisa artinya bermacam-macam pula, tergantung dari kata kalimat yang digunakannya itu apa gitu loh. Nah, finally di sini menunjukkan suatu relief. Relief itu dia sudah menunggu selama, akhirnya dia bertemu. Begitu ya dalam artinya di sini. Oke, or finally bisa juga bermakna at last, akhirnya gitu loh. At last I found them. Oke. Oke. Then I di sini the second so here so means banyak juga maknanya, tergantung juga dari kalimatnya. Jadi kalau di sini dia jadi berarti jadi kita akan menjadi teman sekamar di semester. Oke. Nah, oke. Nah, the next one is roomies. Roomies itu artinya sharing. Jadi teman sekamar. Jadi dia sharing room ya. Teman sekamar kalau misalnya kos bareng begitu. Ini kalau ini biasanya mungkin di dorm begitu ya. Okay, now we have the second one is Sarah. I'm gonna have Nalita, please.
Hello, Miss.
Hi. Okay, you ready, Nalita?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Yes, I recognize you from your photo.
Two.
Yes, I am recognize you from your photo too. I'm so glad to meet you in person. And I see from your t-shirt that you like baseball. I am a big fan too.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, right here on the second one, we have the word like. And I see from your t-shirt that you like baseball. Okay, like di sini dari t-shirtmu saya bisa tahu kalau kamu itu menyukai baseball gitu ya. Jadi di sini menunjukkan something that is pleasing the person, sesuatu yang disenangi oleh orang itu ya. Oke, tapi like itu juga dalam kalimat yang lain bisa berarti currently feeling or thinking. Jadi contohnya gini, she's like scared to death. Oke, nah itu kan artinya bukan dia suka scared to death, maksudnya suka ketakutan untuk mati. Dia seolah-olah dia mau punya perasaan takut untuk mati ya. Jadi kita mesti lihat konteks kalimatnya bagaimana. Okay, now the next one we have a big fan here. Okay, now a big fan. Let me check. Where is the big fan? Big fan itu seperti what do you say? Fans berat ya. Saya ini fans berat baseball gitu loh maksudnya ya.
Hi, Sarah. I can tell from
Okay.
your
Now
finally we meet.
Okay. Now I'm a big fan. Okay. Jadi saya ini juga fan berat. I'm a fan beratnya baseball begitu ya. Okay. Next, I have Lauren here. Lauren, I need Steven. Okay, Steven. Steven, are you there?
You unmute, Miss.
Oh,
I am Rudy Lim.
Stephen Rus something here. Betul ya?
You unmute, Miss. I am Rudy Lim.
Oh, okay. This is wrong then.
You choose the Stephen Rose name. Not choose.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Where is Rudy? Okay, I don't see Rudy though, but I already.
Iya, Miss, Stephen Ruslim benar kok tadi.
Tadi benar, ini sekarang di unmute lagi ya, Mr. Tony. Okay, let me try again. Okay, Stephen.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, who is this? Stephen?
I am the same device, Miss. Stephen is my son.
Oh, okay. So who's speaking now? The dad?
Rudy Lim.
Oh,
Father.
Rudy. Oh, okay. So you're using your son's Zoom, right?
Yes.
So this is Rudy.
Yes.
Okay. So Rudy, please say the sentences. Okay, as Lauren, the third one.
Okay.
All right.
Well, the T-shirt was a going away present for my brother, who's baseball player. Look on the back. It has a photo of all the players on his team. They actually won the city championship this summer.
Okay, very good. Okay. I heard earlier this. Okay, look right here. You missed the S here. Look on the back. It has a photo of all the players on his team. Okay, remember. Okay, I need you guys to keep on remind yourself that when you will do this conversation, visualize, imagine there's somebody else, is either Sarah or Lauren right in front of you. So your intonation, everything is going to be a little bit different. All right. Okay, great. But it's pretty good. Okay, pretty good. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are gonna have these words here, going away present. Okay, itu maksudnya t-shirt itu sebagai hadiah, karena dia si Lauren ini kan bersekolah di tempat lain ya, dia mungkin ke college yang lain di luar kota, jadi dia mendapatkan gift, hadiah, kado dari saudara laki-lakinya yang pemain bola. Oke, going away present itu maksudnya itu a gift yang diberi, a gift that's given to somebody for living. Oke, jadi misalnya dia pindah kerja ke tempat lain, that's a going away present also. Oke, nanti misalnya dia pergi sekolah ke kuliah di kota lain, atau that's a going away present, bisa digunakan. Okay, the next one is actually. Okay, they actually won the city championship this summer. Okay, actually it's artinya itu penekanan. Jadi penekanan maksudnya actually as a matter of fact, it's the same. Ya. Jadi menyatakan fact-nya gitu loh. Jadi faktanya mereka itu menang perlombaan musim panas di summer. Okay? Summer yang kemarin gitu ya. Okay, so actually bisa juga dipakai as a matter of fact ya. Kita sudah pakai kata itu di chapter pertama ya, as a matter of fact. Okay? Alright. Next. Okay, we have Sarah. Okay, I would like Marcelina, please.
Okay.
Marcelina.
Hello, Miss. Good
Hi.
evening.
Good evening.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Okay. Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
That's awesome. I'll tell you, I'm not very athletic, but I love to watch baseball, even if it's a little language game. You could say I'm a professional spectator. What about you? Do you play a sport?
Okay. Now, give you a little bit example, okay? Remember, this is a period here. Period, tanda titik ya. Jadi,
Oh
nah
yeah.
tanda ini si titik. Nah, di sini koma. Jadi tekanannya lain ya. Remember
Okay.
juga. Jadi diingat juga nih. Jadi saat membaca ini seolah-olah si Lauren ini ada di depanmu gitu ya. Jadi kan jadi bacanya nggak datar aja gitu ya. Oke, let me give you an example, okay? That's awesome. I
That's
tell you, I'm not
awesome.
very athletic, but I love to watch baseball, even if it's a little league game. You could
Little
say
league.
I'm a professional spectator. What about you? Do you like play a sport? Huh?
Mm.
That's it.
Oh,
Do you see the
like
intonation,
that.
the different intonation?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Want to try
Okay,
again?
thank you, Miss. Yes, I want to try
Try
again.
again, please.
Okay.
Okay.
That's awesome. I tell
Awesome.
you, awesome. That's
Awesome.
awesome. Awesome.
No, awesome.
Awesome.
You don't need to say "ow" like that. You just say awesome.
Awesome.
Still, I can hear the "ow" like that. No, awesome.
Awesome.
No "ow." Just
Oh.
awesome.
Awesome.
No need "ow." Still there. Listen.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Oh. Awesome.
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 Yes. Try again.
That's awesome.
Better.
That's
Okay,
awesome.
Mhm.
I tell you, I'm not very athletic, but I love to watch baseball,
Comma.
even if a little legs league
Even
game.
if
Even
if itu satu kata ya. Even if it's a little league game.
Even if it's a little league game.
Mhm.
You could say I'm a professional spectator.
Mhm.
What about you? Do you play a sport?
Okay, that's a lot better. Very good. Okay.
Yes, thank
Okay,
you,
practice
Miss.
more at home, okay?
Yes,
The
Miss.
family member. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, now these sentences here we have the word awesome. Okay, last chapter we have that word also. Okay, awesome, we usually use that a lot of time. That's called very good, excellent. Okay, that's the same thing. Okay, and then that's showing something that is a expression of something very good. Okay, now the next one is I tell you. Okay, means saya kasih tahu kamu ya, saya ini nggak begitu atletik gitu. Nah, okay, that's I tell you. It's like I say, okay, on the top earlier we have the word tell you also. Let me show you guys. Okay, I can tell here. I can tell. Okay, now this and another sentence here. I tell you. Okay, this is the kata-kata verbnya sama ya. Tell and tell. Nah, tapi maknanya berbeda. Jadi kita mesti sesuaikan dengan kalimatnya ya. I tell you, saya bilang kamu ya, saya kasih tahu kamu ya. Nah, yang kesatunya, I can tell from your picture. Saya tahu dari fotomu itu ya. Jadi berbeda untuk bahasa Indonesianya ya. Oke. It's all in the explanation on page 16, so you guys can review again, okay, during this week, okay. And then next one is love. I love to watch baseball. Okay, love. Everybody knows what love is, okay. Saya suka, I love, I like, okay, it's the same thing, okay. Love is showing more, that's showing what you like, okay. That's how you express. Sometimes jadi untuk mengekspresikan, karena chapter ini kita membahas tentang how to express likes, membahas tentang bagaimana mengekspresikan likes or dislike, suka atau tidak suka. Okay, now love here you can use to express likes. Okay, I love to. Okay, or I like to watch baseball. Same meaning. Okay. Okay, next one is even if. Okay, even if, meskipun, even if, even though. Okay, it's the same meaning. Even if, or even though. Let me see. Okay, a fact that seems a little hard to believe. Okay, jadi ini even if ini di bahasa Indonesia meskipun. I love to watch baseball. Saya suka nonton baseball meskipun cuma gamenya itu kecil. Maksudnya timnya itu nggak begitu terkenal begitu. Nah, okay, even if, or in other words you can say even though, like that in English. Okay. Okay, next one is could say. Could say. Could say. You could say I'm a professional spectator. Okay. Okay, let me see what could say. Means you could say means kamu bisalah dikatakan begitu kalau bahasa Indonesianya ya. Bisalah dikatakan saya ini adalah seorang professional spectator. Okay, let me see. Here, so you could say, there's no explanation here. Okay. Okay, that's what it means. You could say, kamu bisa katakan, kamu bisa beranggapan begitulah. Saya ini. Okay, Little Lake, that earlier we already explained about that. Okay, jadi dia suatu organisasi yang belum profesional, masih kecil begitu ya. Jadi mungkin masih lingkup RT RW, belum ke lingkup yang nasional atau internasional. Okay, that's what Little Lake is. Okay. Now, next one we have Lauren here. Lauren. Okay, Lauren. Please have Juliana, please, as Lauren.
Yes, I play tennis. As a matter of fact, I have a scholarship and I'm going to play for the university. Now tell me, what else do you like to do?
Okay, very good. Okay, excellent. Okay, as a matter of fact again, okay, we use this a lot of time. Ini untuk enforce something that is already true, that something is really truth. Okay, or we can actually, you can say that most of the time people say actually I have a scholarship. Okay, bisa juga digunakan begitu. And then we have a scholarship. Semua tahu ya, beasiswa ya itu ya, beasiswa. Okay. And what else do you like to do? Okay, like to do. Apalagi yang kamu suka lakukan? Okay, that's what it means there. What else like to do? Okay. There's no explanation here. Let me check. There's not. Okay. No explanation here. Okay. Right. Next we have Sarah. Sarah, please. Sarah. Have Normala as Sarah, please. Okay. Normala. All right.
Yes,
Sarah,
I am
yours
sis.
is Sarah. Are you ready, Normala?
Well,
Is Normala there?
Miss?
There?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, we're
I
gonna
am.
go to the next one. Oh, yeah, there she is. Hold on, give me a sec. Okay. Is Normala ready?
Yes, Miss.
All right, there you go. You're Sarah now.
What I like to do best is dance.
Normala,
Yes, Miss.
your voice is kind of breaking off. Can you repeat again, please?
Okay, Miss. Well,
Okay.
what I like to do best is dance. I'm studying classical ballet, but I also like to dance to popular music.
Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you. All right here, Sarah. Well, what I like to do best is dance. Okay, I like again. Okay, I like what I love to do. Okay, the same thing. Saya suka. Apa yang saya suka? Okay. Also here, I also like to dance. Okay, same thing. This is expressing something that a person find pleasing, sesuatu yang menyenangkan. Okay, that should be easy for you. That's the same meaning there. Okay, now I have Lauren again. Lauren, I have Selita, please.
Okay.
Selita,
As Lauren.
yes, right here.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool. We have a lot in common. I like to dance too. Tim, you'll be up for checking out the local clubs this weekend?
Okay, very nice. Thank you.
Most welcome.
All right. Now, cool. Okay, cool means so it's showing that something exciting. Okay, because it's saying like this. Where did they go? Cool. Expressing that Lauren is exciting that Sarah has the same the same hobby like her. Okay, that's why she said cool, or you can very good, very nice. Okay, okay, like that you can say that. Okay, in common, we have a lot in common. Maksudnya kita punya banyak kesamaan ya, begitu ya. Like again, I like to dance. Okay, expressing that someone what pleasing them. Okay, apa yang menyenangkan mereka. Okay, think you'll be up for. Up for means like want to. Okay, it's the same thing like want to. You be up for. Apakah think apakah this weekend kamu akan mau mau keluar ke klub begitu ya, up for you think you'll be up for, or you want to check out. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, next I have Sarah. Linda, please. Linda.
Oh, yes, miss.
All right.
Oh, yeah. And the restaurants too. Speaking of which, are you hungry? I'd like to grab a bite before it gets too late. I'm starving.
It's right here at love. Yes? I'd love to grab a
I
bite.
love to grab a bite before it gets too late. I'm starving.
Okay, very nice.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
All right, right here. Oh yeah, yeah. It's just an expressing, informal expressing. Say, oh yes, of course. Okay, the same meaning. Okay. Speaking of which, it means kira-kira. Speaking of which, kira-kira. Are you hungry? Speaking of which, jadi talking about which restaurant. Okay. Talking about which restaurant they're going, apakah kamu lapar gitu, okay. I'd love, okay, I'd love here, you can use I'd like to grab a bite. Also, love you can say I love or I like, okay. Nah, sini ada kata grab a bite, itu maksudnya grab a bite itu maksudnya untuk beli bukan meal ya, snack, like maybe something doesn't really make full. Bukan meal itu apa ya, hidangan untuk breakfast, lunch, and dinner, tapi in between ya, begitu. Maybe grab a bite, maybe like what? Let's say pizza, like that. Okay, grab a bite. Okay, or maybe we just go. Contohnya mungkin seperti what do you call nuggets, like that, grab a bite. Okay, it's not, jadi tidak mengenyangkan sekali begitu. Okay. Okay, now we have Lauren. Astuti, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
I'm try.
Okay, try do this, Lauren. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you kidding me? I'm always up for going out. How about trying the place up the street? I'm kind of hungry for a good hamburger.
Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
All right, it says, are you kidding me? Sometimes people say, are you joking? Like that. Maksudnya, what is that? Let me try to explain that in Indonesia. Are you kidding me? Let's check here. Okay. Itu menunjukkan pertanyaan yang tidak memerlukan jawaban. Jadi biasanya untuk pertanyaan yang tidak memerlukan jawaban, people saying that. Okay, are you kidding me? Are you joking? Okay, are you a joke? Okay, that's like that. Okay, let's see. Contohnya begini ya. Do you like to dance? Terus and okay, let's say Sarah say, do you like to dance? And then Lauren is gonna say, are you kidding me? I'd rather dance than eat. Nah, itu kan. Jadi itu menguatkan bahwa dia itu sebenarnya suka dance daripada makan. So, jadi si Lauren ini nggak perlu menjawab, do you like to dance? Yes or no? No, like that. Are you kidding me? Like that. Okay. I'd rather dance than eat. Okay. Okay. Up for. Okay. I'm always up for going out. I always want to go out. Okay. Hanging out, I mean. Okay. All right. Next, we have the later on. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is later on when they are already back from the restaurant. Okay. We have Lily, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, go ahead.
Lauren, what
Yes,
do
yes.
you think of our room?
Okay. Lauren, what do you think of our room? Yes, like that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, what do you think of our room? Menurutmu bagaimana kamar kita? What do you think? Or you can just say, let me see here. What do you think? Is this an explanation? Okay. What do you think itu adalah suatu kalimat untuk menanyakan bagaimana opini seseorang, pendapat seseorang tentang sesuatu ya. So ini si Sarah menanyakan bagaimana pendapatnya Lauren tentang kamar mereka ya. Okay. Or you can say, what do you think of this food? Okay. After you eat something. Okay. Okay. Very good. Next, I have Lauren. Friska, please.
Good evening,
Friska,
Miss.
good evening. Okay, you're Lauren.
Okay, I try.
Okay, a little bit louder, please.
Okay. To be honest with you, I really can't stand that dark color on the walls. It's like really depressing. I prefer light colors. Plus, I like to change the rug and the bedspread. Do you like them?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
All right, here. To be honest with you, okay. Itu bahasa Indonesianya sejujurnya nih ya, gitu ya. Or in English you can frankly speaking, itu the same meaning, okay? Has the same meaning, okay? Okay. To tell you the truth, okay, you can use that also, okay? I really can't stand. Nah, di sini nih ada can't stand nih. Kalau stand biasanya di terjemahan secara flat gitu artinya kan berdiri ya. Ini kalau di kalimat ini artinya I really can't stand that dark color on the walls. Maksudnya saya showing that she doesn't really like it, showing dislikes, okay, expressing dislikes, okay. Jadi bukan stand berdiri ya itu ya. Jadi let's see meanings. She doesn't like it, dislikes of that color, okay. Now it's like really depressing, okay. Now sini ya, di sini ada like. Nah, like itu kan ada beberapa makna ya. Ini kalau di kalimat ini itu artinya itu it is showing that feeling, okay. It's like means feeling, looking at the color, nanti melihat warna itu seolah-olah nih merasa depresi gitu loh. It's like, so it is showing the feeling of the thought, okay. Now depressing is like tidak kurang menyenangkan ya, jadi begitu ya. Nah, artinya seolah-olah dia menjadi depresi begitu melihat warna itu ya. And I prefer light colors. Plus, okay, plus on top of that also, itu jadi also juga begitu artinya. I'd like to change the rug and the bedspreads. Okay, I'd want. Like here bisa want also maknanya begitu ya. Saya juga mau mengubah rugs, karpet dan spraynya. Okay? Do you like them? Nah, like di sini kan bukan want ya. Nah, di sini kan ada ekspresinya like di sini. Jadi 3 likes, 3 makna nih di sini dalam kalimat ini ya. Do you like them? Apakah kamu suka? Nah, begitu ya. Jadi mesti dilihat konteks kalimatnya ya. Okay, next we have Sarah. Wiriani. All right. Wiriani. Good evening. You are going to be Sarah here.
No, I agree with you. They're horrible. With a couple of coats of paint and a few small changes will make this room comfortable and cozy. Everybody will want to hang out here.
Very good. Thank you.
Welcome, Miss.
All right. They're horrible. Horrible showing, expressing dislikes. Okay, horrible jelek begitu ya artinya. They're ugly. Okay, you can say that in English, same meaning. Okay, well, everybody will want to hang out here. Means hang out. Hang out means okay. What's the Indonesian? Semua everybody will want to hang out. Maksudnya dia semua mau berkunjung ke kamar mereka begitu ya kira-kira ya. Nah, okay. And next we have Lauren. Lauren, last sentence. We're gonna have Eva, please. Sorry, Eva. Eva? Eva?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Yes.
Go ahead.
The last sentence. Okay.
Yes.
Man, I'm so relieved. I think we're really going to get along. I'm going to call my mom right now and tell her how cool my new roomie is.
Very nice. I like your intonation. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. Man, I'm so relieved. Okay, man, it's an expression of how do I say that? Because man here is not like showing meaning man, a man, seorang laki-laki ya. It's expressing that something that you relieve gitu, like that. Okay, something that dia betul-betul merasa bebannya itu terangkat begitulah. Dia mungkin sebelumnya ragu-ragu temannya itu nanti bagaimana, apa yang jelek begitu, tapi dia akhirnya mendapatkan teman yang betul-betul bisa sesuai keinginannya. Okay, so dia bisa man, I'm so relieved. Okay, you can showing the expression here. We're going to get along. Get along di sini maksudnya bisa akrab begitu ya, akrab gitu. Then we're going to call my mom. How cool, how nice. Okay, that's good. How perfect my new roomie is. Roomie here tadi saya sudah dijelaskan di atas, itu adalah teman sekamar. Okay, sharing the room together. All right, and then you guys see right here we have all the explanation. Okay, you guys should get the PDF already on the group, and then please review it again one by one. Okay, just probably like 2 words in a day, and in a week you should be done with all that. Okay, now we're going to exercise page 9. 24. All right, yes. Man, that's there, so strong. Okay, that's explanation of scholarship. Yeah, there you go. We have exercise. Okay, exercise 2.1. Okay, write a question using like for each of the following answers. Alright. Now, jadi ini disuruh membuat pertanyaan dengan menggunakan kata like. Oke, untuk jawaban yang sudah ditentukan. Oke. Now, nomor 1. I'd love to have dinner with you. Okay. Now, oke. Kira-kira siapa yang mau coba ini? Coba saya. Let's have Sylvia. Sylvia. Okay. Okay, Sylvia. You there?
Yes.
Alright.
Miss.
Okay,
Yes.
Sylvia. Now, di sini sudah ada jawabannya ya. Jawabannya, I'd love to have dinner with you. Oke,
Okay.
jadi buat pertanyaannya yang menggunakan kata like ya. Kira-kira
Okay.
apa nih?
I will try.
Try,
Did
yes.
you like to dinner with me?
What is it
Like
again? Try again.
Did you like dinner with me?
Oh, okay. You said did you, okay?
Yes.
Remember, when you make a question starting with the to be, okay? Did is a verb to be, okay? Did is past tense of do, okay?
Okay.
Now if your question start with the did, then the answer has to be yes or no.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. I see. Yes.
So that's not correct. Okay?
Yes.
The answer now, if you ask me, did you want to have dinner with me? Oh, okay, I'm gonna answer you yes or no. But here the answer is not yes or no, right?
Yes.
All right. So I'd love to have dinner with you. Okay, what do you think? It's gonna be a what?
Do you like dinner with?
Don't use do. Do, remember, do is a past tense, present tense of the did. So do, if you just start with do or did, answer is gonna be yes or no. All right. So this is the statement here. Okay, there's no yes or no. Jadi nanti pertanyaannya tuh diawali dengan gini, what or would? No, what?
What?
Kira-kira apa nih? What?
Would you like dinner with me? Like this?
Kalau pakai would nanti jawabannya yes or no lagi.
Oh, yes or no lagi. Oh ya, oke.
Jadi kalau gini, kalau saya kira-kira gini. I'd love to have dinner with you. What would you like to do with me?
What would you like do with me?
To do with me.
To do with me, oke.
Kira-kira kamu mau ini ngapain nih sama bareng kita berdua mau ngapain begitu ya? Gitu kalau translate-nya. Jadi terus jawabannya saya pengen dinner sama kamu, yes?
Oh, oke.
Kira-kira pas ya, gitu ya.
What do you like to have a dinner with me? Like this?
Tadi apa gimana? Bagaimana?
What do you like dinner with me?
What
do you like dinner with me? This evening?
Kalau pakai kata do, pasti jawabannya yes or no.
Oh, yes or no, oke.
Jadi sebaiknya begini, I'd love to have dinner with you. What would you like to do with me?
What would you
like
dinner with me?
To do? No. Nah, kalau dia tanyanya gini, what would you like to have dinner with me? Itu nanti tanya, kira-kira kita mau dinnernya apa? Nah, itu jadi jawabannya makanan ya. Okay, have what? Spaghetti, something like that. Okay? Nah, ini kan
would you tell me please, Miss?
Jadi ini gini aja.
Yes, okay.
Would you like what would you like to do with me?
What would you like to do with me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Itu terjemahannya kira-kira gini. Kira-kira kita mau ngapain nih ya, begitu bahasa Indonesianya.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Miss. Thank you very much.
No.
Okay.
Learning together, okay?
Yes,
so,
yes.
Now, you got it? What would you like to do with me?
What would you like to do with me?
Yes, all right. I'd love to have dinner with you.
I love dinner. Oh, okay,
yes,
okay.
Very good. Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Miss.
Now, number 2, we have Brandon, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Now, Brandon, I have the answer here. No, I don't like fast food restaurant. Okay.
Do you like eat fast food?
All right, very good. Do you like to eat fast food? Okay. No, I don't like fast food restaurant. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
All right, next I have Lani, please.
Yes, Miss. Good evening.
Good evening, Lani. Number 3, the answer is would like to go to the mountains.
What would you like to go?
Repeat again.
What would you like to go?
Oh, oke. Itu kira-kira bahasa Indonesianya apa nih?
Kamu mau pergi kemana?
Oh,
pergi kemana?
Oke. Kamu mau pergi. Nah, pergi kemana? Kalau kemana itu bahasa Inggrisnya where, ya?
Oh ya.
Ya, oke.
Where would you like to go?
Oke. Very good.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, next, number 4. I have Gegi, please.
Hi, good
Okay.
evening, Miss.
Good evening, Gegi. Number 4, answer is, I like to go skiing then.
Okay. So what are you gonna do in the mountains? Can you hear me?
Ini kalimatnya, pertanyaannya pakai kata like, oke?
Okay.
Nah, kira-kira apa?
What would you like to do in the mountain?
Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You say, what would you like to do on the mountain?
Do.
Yes?
What would you like to do in the mountain?
On the mountain. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, number 5. I have David, please.
No, I'm not in the mood for doing that today.
Okay. What is the question? Using word kata like. Kira-kira apa? Ini kan jawabannya no, I'm not in the mood for doing that today. Tidak, saya hari ini nggak pengen melakukan itu. Apa? Saya nggak pengen gitu today.
I like
Okay, let me explain a little bit. No, I'm not. Oke, jadi kalimatnya, pertanyaannya, nah ini kan dia jawabannya, oh saya tidak mood, ya saya tidak pengen hari ini, oke. Jadi di sini pertanyaannya harus diawali dengan do you like bla 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 bla, oke.
Do you like
something? Do you like to go to the mall?
Yeah.
Yes.
To go to mall.
Okay, now, okay. Can you repeat again, please?
Please. Again.
Go ahead. Do you
like
to go to the mall today?
To go to what today?
Ya. Oke, do you like to go to the mall today? Pertanyaannya begitu ya. Terus jawabannya, no, I'm not in the mood for doing that today. Yes?
Not for doing that today.
Okay. Do you understand,
yes.
Mr. David? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now cherries are my favorite. Okay, nomor 6 ya, nomor 6. Juliana, please. Okay, Juliana. Is Juliana here?
Hello.
Oh, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Now, number 6, the answer is cherries are my favorite. Kira-kira
What
pertanyaannya
fruits?
apa?
What fruits do you like?
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, what fruits do you like? Cherries are my favorite. Okay. Good. Okay. I don't know what he likes to do. Okay, here we have Lasido.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Mr. Lasido. Okay, number 7. Okay, 7. I don't know what he likes to do. Buat pertanyaan dengan kata like.
Yeah. What what is he like to do?
Oke. Nah, kalau like itu di sini what is he like to do kalau begitu ya. Nah, itu grammarnya kurang pas ya. Nah, jadi begini. What does he like to do?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
What does he like to do?
Yes, I don't know what he likes to do. Okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right, we have 3 more minutes. Let's go to number 8. Okay, Desmi for number 8, please. Okay, I can unmute her. Okay, let's do this. Desmi. Okay, Desmi. Here.
Okay, hello.
Hello. Desmi, I'm sorry guys. My internet went on and off. Okay. Okay, who's this? Okay, guys, we have 3 more. Let's finish this. Is it okay, Mr. Tony? We finish 3 more question.
Yes, Miss.
Is Mr. Tony?
Yes, okay, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Boleh ya 3 ya? Sorry tadi putus.
Lanjutkan
Oke.
aja.
Oke. Aditya ya. Tadi ini siapa ya yang saya ini? Aduh, sorry. Yang saya unmute siapa ya tadi ya?
I am Miss
Name please. Juliana?
Septining Tias.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, go ahead. Number 8, okay? No, she prefers vanilla. Okay? Kira-kira pertanyaan apa pakai kata like ya?
Does she like chocolate?
Yes, very good. And the answer is no, she prefers vanilla. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Yes, Miss, you're welcome.
Okay, number 9. We have
Yes, Miss, you unmute me.
name please.
My name is Pichu.
Okay, let's do it. Number 9.
I'll try.
Yes, I love it. Kira-kira pertanyaannya apa?
Do you like to go swimming?
Yes, I love it. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss. Good night.
Okay, last number. Okay, this is C. Aditya, please. Okay, sorry. Okay, Aditya, number 10. Yes, I'd love to. Aditya, are you there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Answer is yes, I'd love to. Kira-kira pertanyaannya apa? Pakai kata like ya.
Do you like to go to cinema?
Yes, I'd love to. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, guys. We are finished. The exercise 2.1, okay? Next week, we're gonna do the following 2.2 and then hopefully 2.3, okay? I need you guys to practice the conversation, okay, again. And then remember, when you do read the conversation, remember that visualize, coba dibayangkan ada Lauren or Sarah in front of you, okay? Di depannya, jadi bisa ngomongnya bisa enak kayak kalau kita lagi ngomong bahasa Indonesia begitu ada intonasi ya. Oke, dan juga baca itu yang keterangannya ya, keterangan let me see. Nah, ini kan ada ini ya, setelah conversation ini ada keterangan lagi tentang penggunaan kata-kata yang di bold itu ya. Coba dibaca, jadi nanti kita saat kita menjawab pertanyaan itu lebih gampang. Nggak usah banyak-banyak lah. Kalau kita coba di bold, yang bold ini 2 kata per hari gitu aja, paling seminggu setelah pertemuan berikutnya kalian sudah bisa ini baca semua, jadi bisa lebih paham, lebih enak gitu. Jadi saya ngomong kalian bisa connect gitu, bisa ngerti ya. Oke, alright guys. Thank you for joining the class. Hopefully,
Thank you, Miss.
okay, thank you.
Good evening.
You guys have a nice week. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Miss.
Bye.
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 Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Thank you, Mrs. Tony. Bye, guys.